let's remove the gas door releaser. It's not common, but just in case people want to know, let's remove that shit. Let me show you. It's right there. That's what I'm talking about. Just in case anybody wanted to replace that, because sometimes those shits go and you need to get a new one. Okay, first you have to go in the trunk, and there will be like, you know, there's some clips over here that you have to remove. There, over here you have to remove that, and there'll be one here. So as soon as you do that, you go behind this right here, and there's your connector. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. That's your releaser. So all you need to do is unplug it. Go in the front. You will need a vise, or some pliers. All right, my vise. That's my vise. Vice to turn this thing. Make sure you don't break it. You know what I'm saying? Turn it. Get a flat head. You see these things? You gotta push it back so don't break. This thing right here. Push it back so don't break. And turn it. Like this. Okay, see? You have to turn it this way. Make sure it's not breaking. Get your flat head and put these back. Okay? Turn it slow so it don't break. Slowly turn it. See? Boom. This should pop out like so. Boom. Don't lose that. Now go to the inside and pull it out. See? Go to the inside and wiggle. Right. Here it is. Then same way you took it out, put it back in there. Make sure. Oh shit, I'm show you something. Make sure when you align it, you have to put it just like this in there, just boom, and leave it there. Then put your cap on there and twist it back. You know what I'm saying? So you have to go there. Shit, I don't know if you see it. Okay, you see the hole? Put it in there. You have to hold it steady. You're gonna need two hands, so you're gonna hold it steady. Put the cap back on, twist it tight, then connect your connector on there. That is it. That's all you gotta do. Put it in there, make sure it's tight. Make sure it's through. Turn the cap on there, make it tight, put your connector on there. And that is it. And test it. Test the button. Alright, so if you have any questions, you already know, comment below. Give me on Instagram, Juice Mechanics. And if I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.